Hello and welcome to another unboxing, and in today's video I managed to get something different, a Hot Wheels 3-pack. Now I got two of these, just because one has a nice McLaren, the other one has a nice Honda. But first, let me unbox something else. Indiana Jones Bugatti Scrambler. Let's open it. And here it is. Pretty interesting motorcycle. And now, let's open the 3-pack. And here it is. Now the first one is 16 Angels, I believe. I already have one of those that came in another 3-pack. How ironic. I got another 3-pack. 16 Angels. And the next one, 2016 Honda Civic Type R. Didn't know this was a 2016 car. It's a nice one. I will pull this motorcycle up closer. And the next one, Cyber Speeder. This is like a cop car. So yeah, I'm trying to feel whether it's metal or not. I'm gonna one open, and now let's do the second one. And here it is. Okay, let's see. And the first car doesn't have a name on it. I'll see what it is later on. I'll maybe edit in what it is, or maybe not. Next one is a Formulator. It's an interesting F1 car. And the last one, and the one I'm most excited about, McLaren Speedtail. I don't have a McLaren Speedtail. Focus. There it is. Yeah, and that's it for this unboxing. And I'll see you guys next time, maybe with more 3-packs. Bye bye.